In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone in the Lightroom Mobile app. Cloning is perfect when you want to duplicate clean pixels from one part of a photo and place them over a distraction, scratch, or blemish. It gives you precise control, so the fix blends naturally with your image. Start by launching Lightroom on your mobile device. If you see a sign-in screen, go ahead and log in so your edits can sync. Once you're in, open your photo library and tap the image you want to retouch. Pick something with a small imperfection to practice, like dust on a shirt, a spot on a wall, or a stray object near the edge of the frame. Next, look along the bottom toolbar and tap the Remove tool. Depending on your app version, this may look like a bandage or a dotted circle with a line through it. This opens Lightroom's localized correction tools. Inside the Remove tool, choose the Clone option. If you see multiple modes, remember that Clone copies pixels exactly from a source area, which is great for consistent textures like skies, walls, and fabric. It's different from Heal or Content Aware, which try to blend or interpret the area. Before you start brushing, tap Refine to adjust your settings. On the left edge of the screen, you'll see 3 sliders. Set size by dragging up or down so the brush is just a bit larger than the object you're covering. Set feather around 20 to 40% so the edges softly merge with the surrounding pixels. Keep opacity at 100% for a clean, full-strength copy. Now pinch to zoom in on the imperfection. Zooming helps you place your strokes precisely and see edges clearly. You can pan around with 2 fingers to keep the area centered. With your settings ready, tap or gently paint over the blemish. Lightroom will automatically pick a source area and apply a live preview of the clone. Use short, controlled strokes so you can fine-tune as you go. If the result doesn't match perfectly, drag the source circle to a better spot, ideally one with the same texture, brightness, and color as the area you're fixing. Watch the preview update in real time as you move the source. Small adjustments here make a big difference in how seamless the edit looks. When everything looks natural, tap the check mark in the top right corner to save your localized edits. You can always revisit the Remove tool later to refine or undo changes. Practice on a few images and you'll quickly get a feel for matching textures and edges with confidence.